So we have the WEN handheld spindle sander here at the guitar shop. This is what we use to sand necks, bodies, all kinds of stuff. This runs on 120 volts. We have about a 5-foot cable right here. You can see it just plugs into a normal outlet. It comes with everything you see right here. It comes with this clamp system, this little pad here, so you can mount it to a table. And you can see we've got it on there, and it is pretty sturdy. So it also has a port right here that we can hook up to our dust collection system if we wanted to, which we do. You can see it right down here, so that's a very nice feature on here. Let's turn this thing on. You can see it rotates and goes up and down. So you can either hold it and use it, by hand, or you can lock it into place and keep it going constantly. On this side, we got a little knob right here, so you can adjust the speed on it and get it to whatever you want it to be. It's perfect for, for us in the shop, things like necks. It's great for getting into curved areas like this where we need to sand and it's tough to do by hand. Perfect for that. It comes with a couple of sleeves and fantastic, works great. We love it. There it is. WEN handheld or desk mounted spindle sander.